my name is Chan Hong Peng, and I'm here today to talk about the middle hair sound of B and P. So I want to share you how the B and P sound work. So the main difference between B and P is that B is a voice sound, whereas P is just produced by the puff of air. Also, B is produced with less air released than P, and this can sometimes be a more useful distinction as it is difficult to feel the vocal cords vibrating when making the B sound. So next I have a special video for you for how the B and P sound work.
Hello, my name is David and I come from the United Kingdom. The 6 words on this list are bay, hay, bear, hair, bet,